Hi, I'm Naz.
I'm Tony and we're from Minto Fruit Orchard. We've been here in Minto serving the community 27 plus years with good quality fruit and vegetables, meats, groceries, and in that time we've seen many changes. And what we look to do is give our customers good value for money.
We've been part of the Minto community, as Tony said, for 27 plus years. We love our customers, we love the community.
And we wish to pass on all the savings back to the customers, and any opportunity to do so, we do it. Part of that is going with solar, where we can reduce our energy costs. All those savings brought back to the customers. We came across Yello Energy through a referral through another business that had a great experience with Yello Energy Group. After looking into what their track record, what they knew, and we just knew they were right for us. Their team is very knowledgeable and they're professional. They guide us through the entire process from initial consultation to installation. They're focused on using the best technologies that really stood them out. We want to reduce our energy bills and take a big step towards sustainability. Solar allows us to cut our costs while doing our part to reduce our carbon footprint.
For a small-scale generation unit installation like at Minto Fruit Orchards, our main challenge is to ensure that the system can handle their high energy demands. Additionally, in such a vast market, finding reliable manufacturers and installers present is a significant challenge. To tackle these issues effectively, we need to thoroughly assess potential suppliers, carefully evaluate the site layout, and ensure seamless electrical integrations. We ultimately chose 𝐴𝐺𝐴 Solar and Solis because they provided the perfect solution for our project, including the 𝐴𝐺𝐴 550 watt panels, Bifacial technology, high-efficiency monocrystalline modules, and the Solis 110 kilowatt smart inverter. These technologies optimize performance by utilizing high-quality panels from 𝐴𝐺𝐴 coupled with the Smart Cloud app from Solis to monitor energy usage, ensuring seamless system operations. Additionally, we are securing the services of a professional installer to ensure everything is set up perfectly. We prioritize manufacturers with proven reliability, long warranties, and cutting-edge technology. That's why we work with brands like 𝐴𝐴 Solar and their innovative solar panels, and Solis for their robust inverters. These ensure a system that builds to last.